Good morning, children. My name is Rajita, TGT Physical Science, LRL. Today we will discuss the topic name is water cycle. The water cycle definition is the circulation of the Earth's water evaporates from the river, lakes, oceans, etc. into the atmosphere where it condenses and falls as rain, return to the rivers, lakes, oceans. This is a process that never ends. It is called water cycle. The most important processes are there in water cycle. First one is evaporation, second one is condensation, third one is precipitation, fourth one is collection. First process is evaporation. The sun heats up the water in river, lakes, ocean, turn it into water vapor. The water vapor leaves the river, lakes, oceans and goes into the air or atmosphere. This is called evaporation. The simple definition is evaporation. Water is converted into water vapor. Second process is condensation. Water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid to form clouds. This process is called condensation. The simple definition of condensation is water vapor converted into water. The simple definition of condensation is water vapor converted into water. Third process is precipitation. When the clouds get big and heavy with water, they fall back into earth in the form of rain, hail, snow. This process is precipitation. Last process is collection. The remaining water falls back into oceans, lakes, seas, etc. The process is collection. Then the sun heats up water in the rivers, lakes, ocean and once again condense the water and falls rain. It is a process that never ends. This is a cyclic process. This is called water cycle. Thank you.